Okay. So suppose I have a regular mm, Septagon. Hmm. You for regular Septagon, what will be the measure of each interior angle? I hope you will be able to do. You can take your time and you can solve it.
Okay. N times 2, no, n minus 2 times 180.
You solve it in your copy.
Oh,
Okay,
I don't
first
have.
you don't have copy with you.
I do have one.
You can take it whatever you have. Always you have to make sure that you always have a copy and a pen with you. Can you tell me reason why we should always have a copy and pen, Ishan?
Don't forget if you write it.
Yes, because maybe you need to write it. So yes, we have to make notes. It's because notes are there for us to recall, right? So that we can recall it later. Also, when it comes to math, we need to do calculations. We need to do lots of things. Should always have a copy. Okay, so have it. And
Is it equal to 360?
each interior angle.
Um,
Okay, let me check. If Ishan is correct, let's solve it. Okay. Mm, mhm. See, Ishan, because it is regular septagon, no? So regular septagon means polygon with the 7 sides and all the sides are equal. Is it? So that means polygon with 7 equal sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I have not drawn proper diagram. Sorry. No issues. But you have understood, right?
yeah.
So what we can do, sum of interior angles of septagon. So what is the formula? N minus 2 into 180 degree. That means 7 minus 2 into 180 degree, which is equals to 5 into 180 degree. And 5 into 180, how much you will get? 5 to 5, 5 it's a 45. Is it 900?
900.
Correct. And you know what? Your ma'am did mentally only. Can you do mentally calculation? Can you multiply without pen and paper? Yes or no?
Yes.
You can do. That's
Yes.
good. I also did without pen and paper. I will teach you. Okay. How you do mentally without pen and paper? Can you tell me once, Dishan?
For 5, I think if it's times 5, I think of times 10 and then make it in half.
Oh, okay. Got it. I will tell you one another method, okay? That will work for, that will make more easy. Hmm? Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. We'll tell you later. So it is 900 degrees, right? Then, uh, If we want to find out one, it is the question is asking you each interior angle, okay? So in each interior angle, one angle will be equal to how much?
Equal to
Is equals to see.
190.
That is sum of interior angles divided by number of sides. Yes?
Mm.
And it will be equal to how much? 900 divided by 7. And when you will divide 900 with 7, what you will get? 900 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, left 2, यहाँ पे 0, 7 2s are 14, बचा 6, इधर में 0, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. Hmm. So this will be how much? 128 whole 4 upon 7 degree. Am I correct?
Okay.
You can note it down, Izan. Note down this question.